Hey guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off restrictions on your iPad. Whether you're trying to access certain apps, websites, or just want fewer limitations, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. First, unlock your iPad and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down a little and tap on Screen Time. This is where all the restriction settings are located. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, it means some content or features are being blocked. To completely turn off all restrictions, just toggle this switch off. You might be asked to enter a screen time passcode. If so, enter it. And that's it. So guys can be relatively easily turned off and on with a couple of settings. Your iPad now has full access for adult use. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.